A very big welcome back to the weekly podcast of Oriental Pacific Futures, and this is your chart master Dawang here from pwforex.com. All right, and this is the podcast that we're going to cover will be on the May delivery contract of the CPO trading in Busan, Malaysia, and the date will be stretching from 24th up to 28th in the month February of the year 2014. And this is going to be the final week of February before we move into the month of March. All right, as usual, we'll start off on the weekly chart here. All right, as we can see, it's a weekly chart here. The market closed in the price of 2755 based on last Friday. All right, as we expand the chart, and we could see that actually on the whole last week we have a surge in the increment of volume as well as open interest. So the market is pretty bullish. And on the weekly chart, it has been rising for last 2 weeks here on this two-white weekly bar, all right, above the line of EMA 200, which is drawn as a purple line here. And how far can the market be climbing up in this week if it continues to ascend? All right, we'll move into a daily bar. All right, we'll switch into a daily bar, and by looking at this, it is pretty bullish. All right, let us take a look first where the market will be receding if it comes down on this week. All right, if it actually comes down on this coming week, then let's change it into a more visible color, which is a black retracement line. All right, if the market happens to draw down for a correction, we are looking at 33% as the first target, which is in the region of 2660. All right, 2660, which means that if the market happens to recede and make a technical correction on the first few days of this week, if it comes down, 2660 will be our first support, and it should be holding very well because of this green line, which is also running as a EMA 20 on the daily chart. All right, on the other hand, if the market happens to break up, all right, and go higher, how high can it go? In order to gauge the top side, we have to take the previous downfall from here all the way on the top, which was data on the August 28th year 2012 all the way down to the bottom here. So when we actually put a Fibonacci retracement, we could see that the retracement of 50% is at 2672, and the next retracement of 66% is at 2820. All right, 2820, which is here. So which means that this week, if the market happens to move higher, all right, we should be seeing a resistance in the region of 2820 if the market continues to move higher. So in overall, we are expecting the full range of this coming week to be ranging at the bottom from 2660 up to 2820. All right, I repeat, 2,660 ringgit per ton, moving up to 2,820 ringgit per ton in the expected range for this coming week. All right, then again, as we move further into the week, please continue to observe on the volume and open interest in case when it falls, and that will actually give a signal of potential reversal. All right, so this is on the podcast for this week. We hope all of you are able to make more profit in this coming week, and the market will move exactly as what we have just predicted. This is Dawang here from pwforex.com, and of course, thank you to Oriental Pacific Futures, all right, or in short, we call it OPF, for hosting this program. And signing off here is your chart master Dawang, and we hope to speak to you again next week. Thank you very much. Bye bye.